Welcome to this video on Tableau Catalog. As a component of the Tableau Data Management add-on, Tableau Catalog helps organizations better manage their analytics by providing a complete view of the data in their environments. With a higher level of visibility, IT and end users alike more fully trust the data, accelerating the discovery of the right data for decision-making. When we log into a Tableau Server or Tableau Online environment, where Tableau Catalog has been enabled, we see a new tab for external assets. When we navigate to the external assets page, we see information about the databases, files, and tables that are used by the Tableau content that has been published to our environment. This includes information about the number of workbooks and data sources using each external asset, as well as the contact person for the external asset. Databases and files show the server name, path, and connection type. When we toggle to Tables, we see the list of tables and the corresponding database name and path, as well as the column names. When we select the Superstore database, we see all the tables it contains. To the right, we see the lineage pane. The lineage is a visual representation of the relationships among the database tables, and the Tableau flows, data sources, workbooks, sheets, and owners. We see that this database has relationships with 3 database tables, 1 data source, 4 workbooks, 31 sheets, and 2 owners. If we select only the returns table, the lineage filters down to content related to that one table only. Should an issue arise with that table, we can send a message to the table owners regarding the problem. For each external asset, we can edit the description, set permissions, change the contact person, certify the data, and enable data quality warnings. For the earthquake database, we can set a quality warning to let users know it contains stale data. The warning icon now appears. This warning will be visible to all assets downstream of the earthquake database in the lineage. For the Superstore database, we can edit the certification to let users know it contains trusted data. To provide all users with visibility of an external asset, set the permissions of all users to viewer for the external asset. Now, all users will be able to see the Superstore database and its tables when they click on external assets. When we are viewing a Tableau workbook, it is important to know that we can trust the data. At the top of the page, we can click on Data Details to reveal the Data Details pane. In addition to showing us the workbook name and author, the Data Details pane shows us information about the data source and fields in use. The data was refreshed recently, and there are no data quality warnings. This is a good indication that we can trust the data. As creators and explorers, we can create workbooks. Tableau Catalog makes it easy for us to discover the right data to use when authoring in Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, or Tableau Online. In addition to browsing and searching for published data sources to connect to, we can now browse and search among the databases, files, and tables used by published data sources and workbooks. The content is ranked based on popularity. Notice that the data quality warning and database certification we set on the External Assets Settings page are visible to us here. The search has been expanded to include results based on fields, columns, databases, and tables. For example, when we search among our tables for the category field, the results tell us that category is a field within the orders table of the Superstore SQL Server database. We can then select the orders table, click Connect, enter our credentials, and sign into the database to use the order table and category field as part of our data source and worksheet. For additional help on the use of Tableau Catalog, please visit help.tableau.com. Thank you for watching this video on Tableau Catalog. We invite you to continue with the free training videos to learn more about using Tableau.